Hello friends, you are welcome to Jan's Kanta Current News YouTube channel. Today I am going to share with you the unbelievable facts about alien world in the Mars. NASA has revealed the existence of alien and their heritage on Mars, and this information have been kept secret. In Mars, NASA has discovered the head of elephant, the statue of Lord Buddha, pyramid, and uh, faces of human beings. NASA has revealed many secrets of aliens in Mars. The aliens are more advanced in technology, scientifically, and they are using spacecraft which is geared up by nuclear energy in light light speed. The people of this world have seen and taken photograph of UFO in 1934, 1943, 1955, 1964, 1972, 1980, 1997, 2001, 2012 and 2013. The aliens have linked with many scientists and big people of the world like Hitler. The aliens have blessed Albert Einstein to be scientist. He has gained his knowledge from aliens. Hitler also had strong link with alien who used to advise him regarding warfare. The Israel security chief has revealed that Donald Trump has linked with the alien world. NASA has also discovered the crashes of UFO on Mars. In America, Area 51 in Nevada, America has reserved Area 51 for research on alien world. It was established in 1955. The aliens have played a great role in 1947 to prevent a nuclear war between Russia and America. There is a understanding between government of America and Galactic Federation of Aliens that their existence, their culture, and their interaction with human world must be kept secret. That's why Area 51 in Nevada has been restricted for the people, and it is treated as a research center for the alien world. Stop. Friends, you all must be wondering to know more about the life of aliens and their existence in different planets outside our galaxy. The existence of aliens have been proved by different scientists of the world. The great scientist Harold T. Wilkins in 1954 has propagated extraterrestrial heritage theory, in which he claimed that extraterrestrial beings have visited world and influenced development of human culture, technology, and religion. In Egypt, the technology for developing pyramid and mummification have been done by aliens. It is evident from stone carving found at Pyramid of Giza. NASA has found pyramids on Mars. The deities of most of the religions are aliens. Jesus Christ, Lord Buddha, God Hanuman, Lord Shiva, Goddess Durga, Goddess Kali, Lord Krishna are treated as aliens. There is mention of self-moving aerial cars known as chariot of gods in Sanskrit epics. The demon king Ravan was using Pushpak Viman, which was running with the speed of light and by nuclear energy. The remains of Pushpak Viman have been traced by Chandrayaan 2 in other side of the moon. Mahabharata, the ancient Sanskrit epic dated roughly 800 to 900 BC, describes Vimanas as airborne chariots which have capacity to travel space and different planets. Vedic literatures reveal that there are around 4 lakh extraterrestrial species live in different planets outside our galaxy. Our forefathers, seers, munis and rishis, they know about the existence of aliens and they have close connection with them from whom they are drawing knowledge, technology and worldview. Ramayana is the major Sanskrit epic which tells about two-storied celestial chariot that features many windows and fly with roar of comet. Former Israel Space Security Chief Haim Esed has made a very surprising revelation about the existence of aliens that link with President of America. He revealed that US President Donald Trump has an understanding with Galactic Federation of Aliens not to reveal the secret of aliens and the secret of underground base of Mars revealed by NASA. They warn that until human beings understand the life of aliens and their culture, there is no necessity of revealing the truth about aliens so that there will be a lot of confusion and war. Aliens have strong relation with Hindu and Indian in India. Vedic literature describes the existence of life outside Earth and our planet. Our Vedic literature classify living beings in different categories such as Manus, man, Devtas, Asuras, Kinnaras, Gandharvas, Apsaras. The Gandharvas, Apsaras and Devatas, they are aliens. Bhagavad Puran depicts that aliens live billions and trillions of universe. You will be astonished to know that Susutta Samhita The ancient Indian medical text was authored by the alien named Dhanvantari, who was originated in Milky Way. There are many examples of aliens and their interaction with the human world. Friends, there are a lot of evidence regarding the interaction of aliens with human world and earth. Since time immemorial, the aliens are visiting earth, influencing our development, our culture, our technology during Mahabharata and during Ramayana era. You will be astonished to know that the stone carving found in Pyramid of Giza depicts the connection between human world with aliens. The great scientist Albert Einstein has been influenced by aliens. He has strong connection with aliens from whom he was used to draw insight knowledge for developing his theory. Likewise, Jesus Christ, who is a spiritual leader and incarnation of God, has come from alien world. He has come to Christ, the prophet and Son of God, has come from alien world to transform the living and stabilize peace in this world. He has derived divine knowledge from alien world. NASA has discovered alien existence on Mars. NASA has discovered existence of pyramids on Mars, and these pyramids have correlation and link with the pyramids of Giza in Egypt. The technology of developing pyramid and mummification have been taught by aliens to the people of Egypt. It is very interesting to know that the NASA has documented existence of two pyramids and face of human beings in Mars. You will be astonished to know that NASA has documented different figures and face of individuals in 1976, 1998 and 2001 on Mars. There is clear picture of a person documented and photographed on Mars, and some photographs are showing the existence of third eye in the face, which indicates that they have the power of Kundalini as per Indian, Hindu, Vedic scripture. It is very interesting to see the photograph of human beings on Mars. These evidence have corroborated that the aliens have made Egyptian pyramids. and mummification in pyramids. UFO has disclosed that some mummified aliens have been buried in pyramid of Mars as well as in pyramids of Egypt. Lord Buddha is also an alien. NASA has discovered the idol of Buddha on Mars and taken photograph. You will be wondering how these aliens they influence our world, influence human beings. I seek your comments. What do you think? How can you develop very close connection with alien world as our forefathers, seers and saints in our past era were developing and gaining knowledge for the alien world to use natural resources and manage disasters in a very sustainable manner. Please share your comments. If you like your video, please subscribe, share and click bell icon. Thank you very much.